Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 421. The title of today's lesson is Don't Use in Need of Repair with items that are too small or too cheap. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. If an item is too small, inexpensive, and does not need a lot of extensive work or effort to fix, you should not use the phrase in need of repair. All right. And let me give you some examples so you will understand how to use it better. Here's the first one. With the X, this is wrong. My son's toy is in need of repair. Now, toys are usually not that expensive. Even if it's expensive for a toy, it's usually not that expensive that we would use in need of repair with. Okay, and since they're so cheap, half the time you'd probably, if it breaks, you'd probably just throw it away. Or, if it's fixable, you probably just fix it, and you could probably fix it pretty easily or pretty cheaply. So you wouldn't use this phrase with it. So this is what we would probably say. My son's toy is broken and needs to be fixed. I have to fix my son's toy. My son's toy needs to be glued back together. Yeah, something as simple as glued back together, you probably wouldn't need in need of repair. All right, let's continue. All right, again with the X, this would be wrong. My cell phone is in need of repair. Now, cell phones sometimes are a little expensive, but they are small, and to be honest, even though sometimes they charge a little money for it, it's usually not that difficult to fix it. All right, so here are a couple of examples of the way we would say it. It'd be much more common to simply say, my cell phone is not working. My cell phone is out of order. Yes, or I have a problem with my cell phone. Something like that. All right, and I just give you several examples where we do and probably would use in need of repair. That house is in need of repair, definitely. That's very large, very expensive, probably has a lot of work that needs to be done. That's a very good example. His boat is in need of repair, definitely. Very large, very expensive, probably needs a lot of extensive work. And the last one, her van is in need of repair. Yeah, car's big enough. Even a motorcycle would probably be okay. But usually, again, if it's too small or too cheap or too inexpensive or too easy to fix, we won't use this phrase. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it was clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.